Shubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kalayo ikunakit kam Bathymmai hakaba Samla Adrien Chyne Mylliem ulai sajit kum President ka Mpyc Samla banpira lang basayomoj Henry Kharmuti bat lashim timon kharsotun kum ki Vice President bat nyawngut ki General Secretary habakran mit kinong tho kubor President Bathymmai ka Mpyc Samla Adrien Chyne Mylliem ulapan pau ya ka jingma nakadaw jong ka jing jelai jong udrok ha ka jala kawai pat kapang ba ka Mpyc kapan pau kadai halor ka puli puti ha ka babunna ki Samla kimyo kalat ban pule ya ki jing pule ki bahalor kani ka penlong ya ki ban mi na ka jala ban lek cha ki wai pat ki jala ban lek bela lani ban lek trei sha ki wai pat ki jala ha kari India nagaleng Samla ban phira lang basayomoj habakran halor ki jingwan penyeso jong ki breu ki Bathymmai sha ka seng Congress ulapan pau ya ka jing snokmen babun na ki Samla mat ki wai pat kila penyeso sha ka seng Congress bat ukermen ru ba ka seng Congress kan penyang kertong habaro nriu poteli ki constituency hakane ki election kabanwan.
I'd like to highlight from our end the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, which we feel are very worrisome. We feel the unemployment rate in Meghalaya is worrisome at the current situation. They say an idle mind is the workshop of the devil, and we can see that many youths currently who are unemployed end up getting involved with either substance abuse such as drugs and alcohol. Perhaps it could be due to frustration, loneliness, or their own troubles. We can't say. But we can see many of our youths getting involved, whether it be peddling these drugs or whether it is taking them. And also, in sad situations, many of them succumb to their addiction. And it is a very sad state. And also, we can see that due to the presence of drug addiction, you see that there's been a rise in petty crime, whether they're thefts or robberies in the state, because drug users are resorting to these to fuel their drug addiction. And from our side, we feel that there is an uneasiness in the current law and situation of the state. When we do come back to the unemployment of the state, yes, we understand that the state has various government sanctions to promote employment, but we feel there might be a lack of opportunity in accessing these schemes. Perhaps these government schemes are present, but there might not be enough awareness with regards to these schemes. Maybe not enough information is being disseminated to the public. I feel that the current situation as it is, the current rate of unemployment might be a few of these factors. From our side as well, we feel that there is an urgent need for more institutes of higher studies where our very talented youths are able to pursue higher education in the state itself. I feel that that is something we should really be working towards. Because when we look at the current situation, we see that our youths are leaving the state for better employment opportunities and also to pursue higher education. All my team members who are present here today. On my right side is Mr. Bathymmai. He is the Vice President elected. He has completed his Masters in Computer Application from Bangalore University. On my left is Mr. Henry Kharmuti. He is also the Vice President elected, and he has completed Class 12 Art Stream MBOS. To my right from Mr. Bathymmai,
using many things because of this illegality, and we as a youth, we would like to be more proactive about it. What we know, it'll come up in the papers. Any kinds of allegations without evidence we will look very stupid, right? We come up with allegations and we couldn't back it up. So we are working on it. We are looking into this thing also, whereby if we get concrete evidence that there is evidence, right, and we will come out with it, we will surely let everyone know what's happening, and the state shouldn't suffer anymore. Right now, we all know that yes, there are certain individuals who are making hay, right, while the sun shines, but it'll stop. I believe if we take it seriously, if every concerned citizen of the state takes it seriously, this thing also will come to an end.
I do see that drug issue is a big problem in our state, and I feel the government could do more in terms of creating rehabilitation centers, creating awareness, free counseling, because we should perceive drug addiction not as a criminal thing, but rather a social disease. And for every disease, we do have medication for it. And in the same way, we should treat drug addiction. We should not lend our ears, we should not, in fact, discard those who want a helping hand, but rather we should offer it. And I feel that the government could stand to do more with regards to that.
But don't you think that there is a clear lack of political will on the part of the government?
When it comes to will or not having the will for creating rehabilitation centers, I am not one to comment because I myself feel that there's much that we can do, but I can't criticize the government for it. But I do want to urge the government to please do more in that aspect.
This maybe, and we should know, elections won't just happen in 2023. We are looking far ahead of that. 2023, yes, we are coming up with faces, but Congress is looking for a future beyond 2023, and we are doing well there.
And also the political scenario changes every single time, so we can't say anything. As you can see, we work hard, and that is a promise. In a way, a sad situation when we think about it. Because our youths who are very talented and who could also promote their various fields, they are leaving the state to go promote other areas, whereas we are losing out. And therefore, I feel that there might be some form of stagnation. Individuals who can contribute to our own state are leaving for greener pastures because of the unavailability of any opportunities in the state. Us coming here, we are not here to criticize anyone. Rather, we just want to raise a few questions with regards to that. Because we are greatly concerned as to what's happening in our state, the situation we are all in. If our youths are losing their lives to drug addiction, if they're getting involved in petty crime, if they are leaving the state to pursue higher education for greener pastures, we feel all of these are very troublesome. We understand that there are a few youths, due to unemployment, are unable to feed their families, and at the same time they are resorting to petty crime because they don't want to starve, but they have no opportunities elsewhere. It is truly saddening to see our youth suffering so. If we, the youths who bear the weight of the future on our shoulders, are not given such opportunity, then I worry about what lies ahead for us. What do we look forward to? We, the Congress youth, are greatly concerned for the welfare of our state and the future that awaits us. We, the Congress youths, feel we have a sense of responsibility towards this future, and we will work for it. We owe it to ourselves and we owe it to our state. We urge the youths of our state to not take these matters lightly. We can all talk about change and politics from the comfort of our own homes, but only action can bring the necessary change. We implore the youths to come together with us. There might be a few of you who are feeling hopeless, who are feeling despair. There are also a few of you who are hopeful, who want to bring about that change in the state. And there are a few of you who have your own ideas and suggestions on what we must do. We urge you, come together with us. We want talented youths in our party, and as you can see, a very talented team of individuals who will strive and who will work hard towards the future. Come together with us, share your ideas, and we will discuss. We'll think of things, we'll come up with solutions on how we can tackle the growing issues in our state. We, the Meghalaya Youth Congress, will be the platform to voice out your concerns, to express the pleas of those whose voices have been stifled. We here at Congress have and always will have a healthy production line of future leaders. And our doors are always open. And should you be eager to join the party, you can contact us on Facebook, Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, or Instagram, Meghalaya Youth Congress @IYC_Meghalaya. These are the few points and issues we wish to highlight to you through the press. I hope it reaches each and every one of the youth in our state. When it comes to the drug issue, I feel that they could be doing a whole lot more. Because as we can see, everyday people are being incarcerated. Few drugs here and there are found, but not enough is being done. And I feel that action in that matter to control the supply should be done. And I feel that yes, they are a bit lax in their response to this, which is why I urge them to do more in that matter.
Using many things because of this illegality, and we as the youth, we would like to be more proactive about it. What we know, it'll come up in the papers. Any kinds of allegations without evidence we will look very stupid, right? We come up with allegations and we couldn't back it up. So we are working on it. We are looking into this thing also, whereby if we get concrete evidence that there is evidence, right, and we will come out with it, we will surely let everyone know what's happening, and the state shouldn't suffer anymore. Right now, we all know that yes, there are certain individuals who are making hay, right, while the sun shines, but it'll stop. I believe if we take it seriously, if every concerned citizen of the state takes it seriously, this thing also will come to an end. We are confident because the process, yes, the results are important, but the process that we have right now, starting again with how we strengthen the organization, starting from the frontal organizations. If you look back 3 months back, 4 months back, people will say that the Youth Congress was in total disarray. But as you can see now, everyone that we needed in the team are here. So starting from the frontal, and we believe prospective candidates will be fascinated with what they see. They would love to see a strong team of the Congress, and we have a strong team now. We are strengthening the organization in the grassroots level, and it will be a favorable condition for them to join the Congress now, because we are organizing the party from the grassroots, and we will come up with a strong base everywhere. That's what I believe. Now we have Adrien. He's contesting the elections, I think so. Not I think so, I believe. Yes, he's contesting.
What about you? You seem to be very confident.
Yeah, we are confident because we already have a candidate in Mylliem, all right? I'm from that constituency. Yes, and we have a very genuine candidate who's a strong party man, and with what he has done for the party, we are confident that we are winning. And winning is not just about winning the electoral politics, all right? We are winning the hearts of the people based on the issues that people have faced, and we are connected to the grassroots in a very strong way. We've been visiting them, not just visiting them, we are highlighting the issues as well as resolving the issues. There are schools in the rural areas where the school does not even have, the students does not even have uniforms. So these are the small things that we are looking into, trying to make schools in the rural areas better, trying to make the schools in the rural areas effective, and whatever we do, right, every one of us, we should have a responsibility that when we say we want to make a change, we should start from the smallest thing. And when we do whatever thing we do, no matter how small it is, we do it with the greatest of responsibility. That's what